Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I thought I would do an unboxing of September's latest in beauty box, and also stay tuned to the end of the video as I will be doing my 2-year anniversary on YouTube giveaway. The reason I've decided to tie these two videos in together is that I did only choose the 3-item box from this, so there's not too many items to go through, so I thought I'd tag the giveaway onto this video. For those of you who don't know, Latest in Beauty is a monthly subscription service, but it's kind of a bespoke one in that you can choose the items that you receive each month. They do have a few different levels of items you can receive. You can choose 3 items, which is £9, 6 items, which is £15, and then they do have a 9 items, which the figure has just completely escaped my head. I'm so sorry, I don't know what that one is. I will have a link to Latest in Beauty in the description box if you're interested in checking it out, but I haven't been subscribed to this for a good while, but I do regularly check on their website to see what kind of items they are releasing, and there is an item in here that swayed me back for this month. I didn't even have a discount code, I did just pay the full price. Usually it's discount codes that have swayed me in the past, but it was the actual item that they had. So as you can see, this month's theme is Backstage Beauty. That is a new thing that they've had for this year, in that each month they have had a theme of items. I think they've had like natural themed months and glam themed months and things like that, but this month is Backstage Beauty. So what they do each month, they have a product which I think is called the haul of the month, and that is one that they have a kind of excess amount of products of, so that is one that is pretty much guaranteed to not sell out for the whole of the month because they do get a lot of stock of it. So it is an item that they do have all month long, whereas other items they have, you can have them one day and not have them the next. So when I seen what items that were going to be available for this month, there were a couple of things I had my eye on. So I chose the 3 items for £9. So let me show you what I chose. Here are the items. The item that is the whole product of this month is actually a NARS lipstick. This is one of their satin lipsticks. It's in the shade Tolide, I think that is. That is the only one shade that they have to choose from, but to me it looks like it's going to be a kind of neutrally pinky red shade anyway. As you can see, this is just a mini lipstick. Just look at the shade. That is going to be such a pretty shade for the kind of autumn months, because it is kind of, I don't even know how to describe that shade actually. I think, I want to say it's pinky, but I want to say it's reddy and also kind of orangey, so I don't know, I'm rubbish at describing shades. I don't think it says either. That's the thing with this box, you don't get a kind of card like you do with the likes of Glossybox and things telling you how much things are worth or a bit about them. It is just kind of what you can see on the website. This is a 1.6 gram lipstick, which I believe is half the size, because I think the full sizes are 3 point something grams, might be 3.2. So this is a half size one, but the full size ones retail for at least 20 something pounds, so you're looking at least £10 for this value. Bear in mind I've paid £9 in total for the box, and I've still got another 2 items in here as well. It's the main reason why I picked it up, because I have been wanting to try a lipstick from NARS. I've never tried one of their bullet lipsticks, and I don't mind getting mini bullet lipsticks because I feel like they last forever. I do have an issue with mini liquid lipsticks. I do feel like they dry out quite quickly, but bullet lipsticks, I've got one at the moment which I'm using from Tarte, which I've had for months, and I'm using it quite regularly and I can't seem to be able to get it down, so I know this is going to last me a while, and it's a great way to test the formula, because if I did like it, then I wouldn't have initially gone out and purchased a £20 lipstick and possibly not liked it. So I'm really excited to give this one a go. Next item we have is this big bottle here. This is Sponge Clean by Basic Beauty Tools, and this is a liquid foundation blender cleanser, basically a beauty sponge cleanser. So I've in desperate need of cleaning my sponges. I've tried a few different techniques and I just can't seem to get them as clean as I would like them. So when I went on to page my items, I thought this might be a good one to get. I was going to wait a few days and see if any other items came about that I liked, but I thought this is kind of practical, and it's a 250ml bottle, which I presume is a full size. I forgot to look up how much this was online, but I've paid £3 for each item technically, and I would happily pay £3 for that, but it may be worth more online, I'm not too sure. But now I've got no excuse to not clean my sponges. And the final product I ordered was a Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. I've recently been trying the Living Proof dry shampoo and I really like it. It's probably one of my favourite dry shampoos, and I've purchased recently a second bottle of it because I'm really enjoying using it. The first one I got was one this size, so I know that these sizes are about £10. Their full sizes are usually £18. But again, I've paid £9 for the box, and even this just being £10, that is worth it. So it says softness and shine anytime, gets smooth between shampoos. It's a dry conditioning spray. So I'm really intrigued as to how this is going to work, because I do suffer really badly from frizzy hair. It does go really frizzy sometimes even when it's clean and not long been straightened, so this might be quite handy to just throw over it. But I'm intrigued to see what that one's like. And then we have this little card in here which says, as a Latest in Beauty member, you receive a complimentary 30-minute Make Up Your Mind service of your choice at a NARS counter, which is valid till the end of December. So that's pretty cool. I'm not too sure where there is a NARS counter. Maybe Debenhams or John Lewis or something. And then there's just your usual voucher things at the bottom. Are the 3 items that I've received, and I say I paid £9 for the box, so £3 an item. And these 2 on the end here are both worth about £10 each. And then let's just say the middle one's worth the £3 that I've paid for it. So I've got double the value with the items that I've chosen at least, which is really good. And I'm going to stay subscribed, especially with me cancelling Glossybox. I'm going to keep a closer eye on this service to see what they produce for the month of October. But that is the items that I've received. On to the giveaway. I will quickly run through the items that are available, and then I will let you know how to enter. So first of all, we've got a couple of face masks. The first one is this Yes To Grapefruit Brightening Face Mask. Then we have this Vitamask Cosmic Pink Ruby Glitter Peel Off Mask. We have this Caudalie Instant Detox Mask. Then we have an Azaro Wanted Girl Perfume Sample. A Lumine, I think that's how you say it, Glow Reveal Moisturiser. A Lancome Tonique Comfort, which is a rehydrating skincare lotion. Then from Tarte we have the Don't Hate Hydrate Oil-Free Moisturiser. Bye Bye Cosmetics we have the Buffer Lip Scrub. From Trilogy we have the Makeup Begone Cleansing Balm. From Grow Gorgeous we have the Back Into the Roots 10-minute Stimulating Scalp Mask. Then have a Benefit Bad Gal Lash Mascara. We have a Bang Beauty eyeliner, and we have quite a few lip products here. The first one is just a little sample of the Ellis Fast Milky Lips, which is in the shade Nude Pink. We then have a Nip and Fab Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade Red Velvet. We have a Model Co Lip Creme, and this is in the shade Peachy Nude. A Sleek Makeup Matte Me, and this is in the shade STFU. Then have a Cass Cosmetics Luxe Lip Treatment, and this is in the shade Pinwheel, which is this gorgeous pink shade. We have a Huda Beauty Lip Strobe, and this is in the shade Angelic. And then finally we have a Beauty Bay EYN Bright Eyeshadow Palette, which has some gorgeous bright shades in and some really cute holographic packaging. So this is all the items included in the giveaway. Sorry it's not a massive giveaway, but just thought I'd do a little something to commemorate my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. I can't believe I've been doing this for 2 years now, and I'm still loving uploading and creating content and things. The rules to enter the giveaway are, as usual, super simple. I will be putting a random generator in the description box if you just want to follow the link and enter the details that it asks of you. It will usually ask for your name and your email address, and then there are a couple of compulsory things that you must do, such as being a subscriber to my channel, and also if you can give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. And I think I'm going to put a question there like I did for the last one, and I think I put what's your favourite thing about summer, because my last giveaway was over the summer. So this time I want to say, what is your favourite thing about autumn or fall, dependent on where in the world you are. There'll also be a few bonus entries as well, such as following me on Instagram. I will put the full details in the description box below, and I say the link to enter will be there as well. As with previous giveaways, this one will be open for 1 month. It is open internationally, but you must be over the age of 18 to enter, or have the permission of a parent and guardian, as you are going to be giving your address to a stranger on the internet. Once the giveaway is ended, a random winner will be chosen through the generator. I will then email the winner, and they will have about 3 or 4 days to come back to me to confirm they want to claim the prize. If not, I will choose another winner. Then the winner of the giveaway will be announced in a future video. That's it for today's video. If you did like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.